Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to add signature in Google Docs. Adding a signature in Google Docs is super useful, especially if you're signing documents digitally without needing to print them. So the first thing that you need to do in here is just open the Google Doc or the document where you want to add your signature. Then right after, place your cursor where you want the signature to appear. So let's click on here. Next, go to the top menu in here and click on Insert. Right after, hover on Drawing and click on New. So this should open something like this. And if you can see here on the upper part, there are a lot of options. Let's choose this line in here. So there is an arrow beside it. Click on it, and there you should be able to see scribble. From here, you could use this scribble option to draw or to go ahead and sign. So let's do a sample signature in here. For example, so I have here just a sample signature. And you could also customize it by changing the line color in here on the upper part and the thickness of your signature. Once you're satisfied with it, just click on Save and Close. And as you can see, you should be able to see your signature. Now you can click on it to resize it using the handle here. And you could choose on the wrapping option in here to move it freely on the text, just like this. So let's choose in here in front of text, then we could go ahead and just move it anywhere we want in the document and resize it. And that is just basically how you add a signature in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.